welcome to Autovault Speed Shop, and today we are introducing to you our new shop car, the 2021 GR Yaris. This car is probably arguably the most exciting or the most awaited car for 2021, and today we have it in front of us, and we are also showcasing you what we are going to do with it. But before we do any modifications, as you have seen from our posts a couple months back, of course we will be making sure that we are maintaining the paint and the quality of the car as if it was straight from the showroom. Now this car, we purposely did not go through the normal process of picking it up in the showroom. I decided to keep the car with its original factory stickers and everything, because we want to remove and do all of our paint protection ourselves. We forgo the pre-delivery inspection and decided that we will do this ourselves, simply because we want to make sure that the GR Yaris gets the best of what we can offer here in the shop. Now, the car will be getting a Modesta paint protection system, and with a Toyota, normally the paint is very thin compared to your other makes and models. So it's very important that before you do any mod, this is the protection mod. So we have standard DBS forged wheels, 4-piston brake system, and a 2-piece rotor disc. I've seen a lot of videos saying that cars that are being used in the Nürburgring, a very important mod is brake lines. You can actually get away in that track using the stock brakes and the stock brake pads, but you need to replace high temp brake fluid and brake lines. If you need brake lines, you can get it from us. Let us know. We have a selection of wheels. We have Advance, we have Race, we have NKs coming in as well. So stay tuned for more of our posts. I'm still debating whether we're going to do the forged carbon mod. It's a new car, so I don't know if I'm ready to remove the factory skin. I think Toyota did this more for a uniform look, uniform setup, and probably to avoid harmful UV rays hitting the forged carbon under this full carbon skin. The car is very small. With all of my cars, I always mod it. If you see my Evo, these are sitting on Ollins suspension. I have nitrons, I have Cuscos, I have KWs for these. I'm still deciding what to do. For body kits, we have TRD, we have Toms, we have Pandem. Exhaust systems, we have titanium, we have stainless steel from JCR, from Gredi. We also have the Australian ones from Waze, I think. Yeah, so we have a lot of parts for the car, but right now the main priority is paint protection. So stay tuned on what we're going to do. This is going to be an exciting build, as well as we're also excited for different shops that are going to be building their own cars as well. So stay tuned, guys.